Hey guys, this is Henry here again, aka Spirit FX. Guys, there's something huge is happening in the cryptocurrency space. Yes, we know a whole lot of people have lost their money through to the FTX issues with Binance and all that. A whole lot. The cryptocurrency market is plunging down, no doubt. No doubt, Bitcoin actually moved from where it was $20,000 to 16,005 that it is right now. So you might ask me, what is the good news? What am I talking about? What is happening in the cryptocurrency space that people don't know about? Now, the thing is, if you check the list, we have BNB number 1, BTC number 2, ETH number 3, and TWT. TWT is what I bring, is the news, is the good news I bring to everyone. Now, if you have been in my Telegram group for the past 1 year, you would notice that I have always been talking about TWT token. And I was able to buy 1,000 pieces of TWT token for, I can't really remember the price because I actually tried checking, because normally it's supposed to show, this is my TWT token. I have 1,000. I had more than 1,000 pieces, but I sold some earlier this year. If you check, once you click it, it's supposed to show you history. Like the history now is showing no record, and I don't know why it's showing no record. And there's also another place where I keep records for all the cryptocurrency I have purchased, which is my Google Keep. And I'm not seeing it here, and I don't know why I didn't write it here. As you can see, cryptocurrency I bought in 2021, monitor progress. Now, these are the cryptocurrencies I've bought, and I can't find TWT, and I don't know why I didn't write it here. But honestly speaking, if you check this list, if you check number 9, CRO, $56, this is the highest I spent in purchasing a cryptocurrency in 2021. This was the highest I spent. The rest were below this. And I actually got that TWT token same last year, 2021. And I know I didn't spend up to $50. Do you understand, guys? Now, if you have been following me, you would know I've always been talking about it. Now, I want to show you guys. Let me go to CoinMarketCap. Look at it. Now, this is the 1 year or the all-time chart since 2021. Look below. Since 2021, when it dropped, it was 0.006. It started moving to 0.006 2001. 0.00 from 0.002. Started moving to where it is right now. It is presently at $2.44. Now imagine you have purchased when it dropped 2001 0.006. This was I think part of the time I came up with this. I saw the potential. Now TWT token is Trust Wallet token. And you all know, with the issue that is happening right now with this, is it decentralized exchanges? I think decentralized, Binance, FTX and others, I think they are decentralized or centralized. But you understand what I'm saying, though. So I'm just going to use decentralized because sometimes I miss it. I call TWT centralized or decentralized, whichever, you understand. So this wallets, this crypto wallets like Binance, FTX, and the rest, Crew, they are really having issues right now. Many are going bankrupt with what's happened with FTX and all that. Now, people are now diving into centralized, is it centralized or decentralized, which is wallet like Trust Wallet, whereby you have all the whole rights, nobody is telling you what to do. It's not like Binance, whereby you would need to verify this. They have access, they can even shut down your account and all that. Trust Wallet is not like that. So people, if you check TikTok, check Instagrams, people are advising a whole lot of people to take out their coins from all these normal exchange platforms and move them into Trust Wallet. And we all know Trust Wallet has been bought by Binance, the owner of Binance. Binance has purchased Trust Wallet. I don't think this is a recent news. So we all know. So ever since that issue, Trust Wallet token has pumped like mad. It has pumped. Let me show you 1 hour chart. See what it is doing. Look at it, is pumping big time. Now look at how much I have now. From how many, I think when I bought this stuff, I know it was, is it $20 or $30? I bought 1,000 pieces. Now look at that, 1,000 pieces is worth $2,500 right now. This is what I have right now. And if you check, since Binance has actually purchased TWT, they will want to see this token would drag with BNB, which is Binance token. which is the number one on this list now, it's at 281 for one BNB. Now TWT is coming up. If TWT managed to even get to $100, my 1,000 pieces will automatically turn to $100,000. So I'll be $100,000 rich from an investment of, if I am not mistaken, because I don't want to give a figure, but I know I didn't spend up to $50. I didn't spend up to $50. So even now, like this, now I have made massive profit, $2,500. If I cash out now, I did not lose at all from an investment of lesser than $50. But I'm not going to cash out now. TWT token, trust me, it would get to $100. I don't know when, but I'm still just gonna keep holding. I'm gonna keep holding, and as you can see, it is pumping like mad. Guys, pay attention. If you actually bought this token when I asked you to buy it, go and check your storage. Go and check your Binance or check what platform you bought it from. Guys, you have made massive profits. So this is how cryptocurrency can actually bless you at the long run when you buy and hold. Those that buy and hold, when you buy and hold, this is how cryptocurrency can actually bless you. So guys, it's still a good time to buy though. If you have good money, you can invest, because TWT token will definitely do well since it's owned by Binance now.